Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bronte in case you are new here, and today I'm showing you my self-care Sunday at home, like mini pamper routine. Very simple. I'm not going to be too over dramatic, but if you would like a full pamper session routine, please let me know in the comments below. So let's just get straight into my self-care Sunday at home pamper routine. We're all in self-isolation and quarantine. I think it's the perfect time to revamp our beauty and skincare routines. I'm going to start off with putting my hair back using my cute little headband that I got from Kmart. I'm going to be removing my makeup using the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. Probably will take a few because I've got a bit of makeup on today, which is unlike me. I never wear makeup anymore, but I thought, why not today? I wonder how you guys have been going since you've been in self-isolation, and if you guys are in quarantine. I mean, it's not that strict in Australia at the moment, but I know it's getting stricter in a lot of other countries. Once my makeup is removed, I'm going to cleanse my face using the go-to Properly Clean foaming face wash, which is my absolute go-to. It's really helped clear my skin out a lot and I love it. I wouldn't use any other cleanser at this point. Making sure I get rid of all the dirt. Next, I'm going to use the go-to exfoliating Swipeys. This is actually a relatively new product for me, and I use this as like an exfoliator. All you need to do is swipe this little pad around your face. Just ensuring I'm removing all the excess dirt, and then I'm gonna leave it on my face for about 30 seconds. Focusing in my T-zone areas. Definitely feel a little bit tingly. So now that I've cleaned my face, there was excess on there still. I didn't do a great job at removing my makeup today, clearly, but that's why these are so good. So I've just left this on my face for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then I just have to rinse it off. Sorry, I just had to readjust the camera. So another important part is drinking water. I have this giant big metal cup which I basically constantly have with me 24/7. I mean, especially at the moment I'm not leaving the house, so there's no reason for me not to have it, but I take this, and you can't really look after your skin if you don't drink enough water, and I'm a very firm believer in that. So I've always been a big water drinker, and this really helps to keep me hydrated, and it also keeps my water very, very cool. So I love it. I also put my iced coffees in here. Obviously I clean it out, but you know, gotta keep refreshed. Next, I'm going to do a nice little face mask because I just want to feel extra fresh today. I'm going to be using my Roche Posay, I can't say any of these words, unclogging pore mask. This is particularly important because I have been wearing makeup today, like I said, to put this mask on and really like cleanse my pores out. So I'm just going to put this on, and then I'm going to leave this on for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to have a shower. Something else that I love to do to really like calm myself is listen to podcasts, and I'm open to any suggestions. So if you guys have any suggestions of podcasts that you love, please let me know, because I love listening to podcasts. I love Crime Junkie. I don't know if any of you have ever heard of it before. It is amazing. It's probably my favorite podcast to listen to. So I love like crimes and murder mysteries. So if you have suggestions, please let me know. I feel like I need some really good detoxifying tonight. Another thing I do while I wait for my face mask to dry is whiten my teeth. So I use the HiSmile teeth whitening kit right here, and then I also brush my teeth, which I've already brushed my teeth using the night toothpaste. So I always do this like at night time, but after I've eaten and everything. So I will just grab my kit, and then I'll put 1/4 of the gel on the face of the mouth tray right here. And I just do this to sort of like maintain my teeth, if that makes sense, like maintain the whiteness of my teeth. So 1/4 on the top and then another 1/4 on the bottom. Like that. And then I just wait 10 minutes while my face mask is drying. And then once that's finished, I'm just gonna rinse the tray out. And now I'm going to go and have a shower and wash my face mask off. So guys, I have now had my shower. I'm wearing a towel, so I'm not naked or anything like that. I'm just gonna do a quick little skincare prep. If you would like to see a full skincare routine, please let me know in the comments below, as I have a very detailed nighttime routine that's probably not going to be included in this video, so definitely let me know in the comments below. So what I will always use is my Face Hero, which is also Go-To. Just apply a couple of drops to my face like that. This helps keep my skin pretty clear and keeps it feeling super moisturized. I've never liked an oil before. Next, I'm just going to use the ordinary Granactive Retinoid 2% in squalane, which again, I only use a couple of drops. Also going to moisturize using the Bangn Bod Firming Lotion. Put this over my entire body. Next, I'm just going to finish off putting some lip balm on my lips. I'm using the Frank Body lip balm. My favorite lip balm is the Glossier lip balm, but this Frank Body one is also really, really good at keeping my lips nice and hydrated, as I tend to get dry lips sometimes. So just put that on my lips. And that was all for my easy self-care Sunday simple routine. This is definitely by no means my full routine. I didn't wash my hair or anything like that. So if you would like to see a full pamper session self-care Sunday routine, please let me know, because I can do my full routine, including all my little tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see that. And if you would like to see my proper nighttime skincare routine, I would... Chief! And if you would like to see my full nighttime full skincare routine, which is much more detailed than that, please let me know in the comments below, as I would love to film that for you guys if you were interested. And I feel weird because I feel like I look naked here. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this simple self-care Sunday pamper routine. I hope everyone is staying inside here in Australia and just keeping everyone else safe. So wherever you are in the world, please be safe, please stay inside, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you could also be watching this in a better time. I hope you're all doing amazing. Let me know if you have your own self-care Sunday or pamper routine in the comments below, as I would love to reply and get back to you and hear what you guys do. So thanks guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and please ignore Chief, and I hope I can see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.